And of course, we will keep posted exactly what is happening here.
Thank you very much for that update, Violet. Of course, a tough one to then be able to see in terms of what has happened to people. We continue our coverage on what is going on in the nation concerning the shutdown of transport services due to the high fuel prices. We're crossing over to Nyeri now. Our reporter Masombo is on ground to tell us what is going on. Very good afternoon to you, Masombo. How are things where you are?
Well, very good afternoon to you. Indeed, the situation in Nyeri is still tensed. We have seen a total shutdown here, just like many other parts of the country. Businesses have closed down. There is none that is operating currently. And what we have seen so far is that police officers are trying to protect all that they can within Nyeri town, but we have also witnessed running battles between police officers and some group of youth who are coming from the slums around Nyeri town trying to loot businesses. There were attempted incidents of looting actually today morning around between 10 and 11. Some of them had made an attempt to get into KTNnews supermarket here in Nyeri town. They made away with a few items, but then they were overpowered by the police officers. And where we are right now is that we are at the Nyeri downtown, where we have also there have been reports of attempted incidents of looting, and right now most of the youth who are trying to get into the businesses, they are at bay. Police officers have overpowered them, and they are keeping away. But then they are in other parts of Nyeri County. We are speaking of towns like Karatina that normally gets hot whenever we have such incidents in the country, demonstrations, protests, or whatever of the kind. Karatina town also normally comes to a standstill. And the report that I have received from some of our sources on the ground indicate that Karatina, currently the Nyeri Nairobi highway is closed at Karatina, and there have been also cases of running battles between police officers and the youth who are trying to disrupt operations at Karatina town, attempting also to loot some of the supermarkets there. And we have reported cases of injuries. Most of them have sustained injuries in the process of engaging police officers in the running battles. But then right now the situation is a little bit calm compared to how it was about 30 minutes ago here in Nyeri town. And as you can see, these are just police cars making patrols to ensure that everything is that no criminal activity happens, be it looting or maybe attacking those pedestrians who are just walking, going on with their businesses, even as much as nothing much is happening. So that is the situation right now, and there is nothing much actually to report on from Nyeri County.
Thanks very much for that update coming in from you. And